We're gonna change this light. We're gonna take it out, get that ugly ass yellow, make it look nice and like this. So for this one, I'm using these little LEDs. I got them on eBay. They're pretty cheap in the pack. If y'all hear that music, it's my neighbors. So, yeah, let's go to it real quick. It's pretty simple. These back ones are just held by this thing right here, by that. So you just need to do pretty simple. All you need to do is just push it. It's gonna be right there. I'm just using this little thing. Just get it, pull it. There you go. It pops out. You twist it. This comes out. And you're supposed to do it with the light off because it's hot. But, ooh, that was hot. So you take it out. You get your other light, your new little LED, and you plug it in. Oh, having a hard time right here doing it one hand, but got it. So the new one is in. Now all you gotta do is put it back in there. Man, this is hard doing it by one hand. I don't know how people on YouTube do this. Hold up, I'm gonna put it down real quick. Alright, so got it back in there real quick. Not real quick, but yeah, then put it back in. It's simple, it just pops back into place. And there you go. You got nice blue ones now.